My nails, not? Do you like my nails?
Yes.
You like it?
It is Juma.
A Juma?
Where are you going, Lini? Good morning, my little princess.
Georgina, when you're drinking.
Oh, it's been raining.
Yeah, I remember seeing Georgina.
Tingnan nyo, basang-basa sa ulan. It's been raining all night there now.
I remember I checked the car.
Okay, go daddy. Go daddy. We're dropping at the Paris to Hindi. It's her second to the last day.
So,
Ate!
so
Ate! Say hello, ate!
hi. So 2 more days.
2 more days, yes. 2 more days. And that's it for her Kindi. Kindi time. Hoy! Hoy! What are you doing? You're on the other side lang. Here, Mama will open here. Here. Nini, this way. Good girl.
Oh, that's mine.
Yeah, it's okay. She can go first.
It's in Daddy's wallet, Mummy.
No. Did you bring it yesterday?
Yeah.
Gosh, big girl. Do you want Mama to help? Come on, B. She's, oy. Very determined talaga tong ating baby girl, oy. She wants to do... Ay, the other one lang. The other one. Celine, look at Mama. This is yours. This is yours. This is Ate Paris, man. Hala, nangilog.
I guess I'll see him playing.
Look. Daddy, have a look at her.
Oh, I guess I'll...
What are you? Anak, this is Ate Paris' seat. This is yours. This is Celine's.
I guess I'll...
Yeah?
I'll go and swim.
Yeah? Lenny? Do you mind moving here, please? This is Ate Paris's. Hmm? What Kels na? Okay, go down, go. Go on the other side.
Yeah.
There, oh,
Oh no.
there.
What time?
There ba, there? Go.
What? Yeah.
Allah. No. You don't like...
Sleepy.
You don't like when people laugh at you, yeah?
Yeah.
Or other people to laugh at other people. That's not very nice, yeah?
Yeah. Well, sometimes I laugh at Celine, but she likes it.
Yeah. It's not laugh at Celine, it's laugh with Celine. Because you're laughing with her.
Yeah, I love laughing with her. I just don't like it when people laugh at me.
Yeah, I know.
I
It's not very nice, yeah, when people laugh at you.
yeah, remember when I laughed at me because I wanted a treat?
Nah, he was just joking too.
What?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Sabi niya, guys.
Where's my collection?
Sabi niya, ayaw na niyang, ano,
Hi, I can see the wood up there.
she doesn't like people laughing at other people.
Mine! Just,
Come on, see.
why did it got black?
Nini, have a look at Nini.
She looks a little bit clear over there. Hi, don't laugh at her
I'm not
because
laughing at her. Hi,
are
Lynn.
you just smiling at her?
Yes. Come on. Put your thing.
Celine looks a little bit sad there, doesn't she? Or
Oh, napakainit guys. Uy, grabe. I'm sweating.
die. Die.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
It says it's 23 degrees
Look,
outside.
die. Die, look.
But it's very humid.
Wow.
But you
So, ayun nga guys. Dadrop
Make
natin
sure
ang
you don't
ating
spill
Ate
it.
Paris. And then pagkatapos, ay pupunta tayo ng hindi natin i-English kaya makaintindi ang ating Ate Paris. Punta kami ng magpapagawa tayo ng kuko. Ayan. Para hindi siya ano. Ayan, di ba kahapon hindi natin nagawa? So, gagawin natin today. So, si para sa Ate Paris ay nasa school. Tapos, si Baby Celine na lang yung imamind ni Daddy Mike pagdating namin. So, yeah.
Do you mean you mean coins?
See you later, alligator. Ready, steady.
Go.
Linia's gonna dummy. Ready, steady.
Yeah.
Oh, go! Well done, sweetheart. Let's
Celine knows how to say good.
see you later.
Celine.
Wave. Can you wave? Bye bye.
She's just saying little.
Oh, you're a good girl. Are you excited for your last week of kindi, ate? Are you gonna play?
2 more days.
Yes. 2 more days.
Candy.
And
And then what will I do? In 2 more days.
then we're flying to the Philippines.
What?
Yes. All right. See you guys. So guess what, guys?
Why do we stay?
Nandito kami ngayon sa...
Why do?
That is just checking, my love. Sa harapan ng kindi ni Ate Paris. And then, we realized there's no cars outside. So, it seems like
And we don't know
close.
and we don't know if I'm going to school.
Yeah, I don't think it's open, nak.
Why?
I didn't know it's public holiday today. Well, that's why I thought Daddy Mike took a day off. Like, extra day off. But apparently, kasi Sunday na fall yung Christmas Day. So, it means Monday yung ano niya, yung holiday. Tapos Boxing Day yesterday, so ngayon yung holiday.
My.
Yes,
What
ate.
did Christmas yesterday?
Oh no, Daddy's go it. No one?
No.
No one lagi. You right, Daddy?
Sorry.
Halang lang. Halang lang. Ayan. So, maiba yung plano natin, guys. Sasama natin ang ating Ate Paris.
What did they say?
So,
There's no one there.
I'll just keep Ate Paris sa nail salon para kasama kami doon. So, Daddy Mike and baby Celine can do something.
Come.
Oh well. Do you think the shopping center is open?
Yes.
You reckon?
Yes.
Baka magpunta namin ang close naman. My God.
I won.
30 minutes pa naman yung drive.
Come on, Daddy.
Guess what, ate? We're going to the shops.
What?
There's no kindi. So I think they're open tomorrow and tomorrow is your last day at kindi.
What?
Yes. Alright, so you're gonna go with mommy and daddy and baby Celine to the shops, okay? Do you wanna go with daddy? Would they go for a walk or you stay with mommy at the nail salon? What would you like to do?
I really want to but I couldn't.
So?
I want to but I couldn't.
You can do both? You wanna do both but you couldn't?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to choose one though.
Well, I don't know which one.
Yeah, well, I'll give you time to decide, okay? We're going now.
I don't think it's a try.
Bye-bye! We're going to the shops. All of us. We're here. Doon kami nag-park. So, ayan. Wala sa plano. Nasama na tuloy sa Ate Paris. Dito kami nag-park sa entrance talaga ng nail salon. Ate, what's that in your hand, ate? Ano, dinala talaga ang kanya.
I just want to bring it.
Why?
Because I want to.
Keep moving.
That's okay to bring it.
That's a very good idea, isn't it? Because you want to.
So open it up. I go open it up.
Oh, this shopping center smells like Philippines, guys. Yung mga mall sa Pilipinas.
Remember when we walked here?
I know. Ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog. Tapos minod ko siya sa pram. Nagising at umiyak.
Drive and then you put a donut there.
Yes.
That's where it was.
Yeah, this is the one. So this is the nail place that I'm going to. I hope they have space for me because I didn't book. Oh, they're not that busy, I think. Alright. Hello. We're at the Vietnamese restaurant now, guys. Kain muna kami. Lunch, pag may time.
Give us some milk.
I did, Bob, while they're doing my nails. Naku, alam niyo ba guys, umiyak to siya. Hindi pa tapos ang aking kuko. So while they were doing my nails, nagpapadede si mami. Labas ang kaluluwa ni mami. So, here's my nails. How cute! Nag-focus ba guys? Ayan. Focus, focus. Focus. Ayaw niya mag-focus sa aking nails. Ayan. Super nice, diba? So, ito yung tinatawag nila na ombre color. Ayan yung pinili ko. Tapos, pinalagyan ko ng isang bow. Ayan, para maiba naman. Sobrang cute ng nagkuon. Nakbe? Look. Ay, gosh! Look, super nice. Ano ako guys, parang pa-extra ba? Kasi uwi tayo ng Pinas, diba? So, why not? We deserve it. Hindi pa ako nakapagpaganito before na nagpalagay ng mga, yung mga ganito. But, since mabiyahe tayo, paano tayo? Ay, super nice. I love it. Do you like my nails, Daddy? Super cute. Kami na. Baguhan ako, guys. Yeah. Tignan niyo, kumain ng noodles pa. Pinakain na namin sa kanya yung kanyang donut kasi she's been a good girl. Tignan niyo mukha, oh. Wala. Ayan, we had the munggoe, the spicy beef noodle soup, and Daddy had the chicken soup, and Celine had her didi. Ayan, nakatulog na. She had her didi. Ano? Sugar high ng bataan na, oh. Gusto ko pang kumain, guys, kaya lang, ininom ko na ang aking buko juice. Para nawala na yung gana ko sa noodles. Anyways, Daddy Mike and Celine went to Zara already and we done some shopping. Kung gusto kong pumunta ng Zara, guys, we'll go there after here. Yes, waiting. Tapusin lang namin tong bulingit na to. Bulingit to. Bulingit ka. Nak, kumusta? Good girl. Sobrang busy ng shops, guys. Grabe, sobrang daming tao. Ito kakagising lang from her nap. Meet lang namin ulit ni Daddy Mike tsaka ni Ate Paris kasi nag-part ways kami. Kasi nag-shopping si Daddy Mike, nag-shopping din si Mami niyo. O, ayan na lahat. Mag-haul tayo mamaya pag-uwi. May pinuntahan pa si Daddy Mike na isang shop doon while we're waiting for chat time. Oh, don't forget please. Ayun!
I love you so much.
Ang daming cute na napamili ko, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Okay!
A few moments later.
Baba! So, it's 4:50 ng hapon and kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay. Ating Ate Paris ay sleeping, as you can see. Kaya pumasok na si Daddy Mike. Tinala niya lahat ng mga napamili namin. Tayo na namin sa Ate Paris na magising. What are you doing there? What are you doing?
Papa.
What's in there? No. Sobrang sharp nung kanyang sa sapatos ba? Oh, tingnan.
May I didn't see us here.
Eric!
I didn't see us here.
Yeah, we just arrived. How was your nap? Good? Nini, Ate Paris is awake! Where's Ate Paris? Where is she? Are you holding hands again? Can you hold hands? Nung papunta kami doon, guys, nag-hold hands sila the whole way. Hold hands, Ate Paris! Ate Paris, man! Go.
Do you like my nails, Nak? Do you like my nails? You like it?
It is Juma.
Juma? Juma? No, you still sleepy there? Shall we go upstairs now? Huh? Well, show Tita and Tito your new shoes. Hmm?
No shoe. No shoe.
No, sila. Hi guys! Time check, it's nearly 5 o'clock ng hapon and dito na kami sa loob ng bahay. Dali!
My donut.
I can't, Bob, because I'm too tall.
Mom, where's
look.
my...
Move pa. So Daddy Max is showing what he bought from H&M and Zara. So, ito yung binili niya for the girls. So,
No worry, guys. Not from the thrift shop.
Mama. Mom, remember my donut? I still didn't.
Yeah, later. Play with Celine there, ka. Come on, Mama will give it to you. It's somewhere here.
Not from the thrift shop, haters. Real money.
May nagsabi kasi guys, may nag-comment sa ate. Later, my love. You play with Celine, ka, and Mama will give you one later.
What does she want?
Popsicle.
Get off her. She needs to have more food.
No, I already ate so much food.
No, you didn't. You had like a tiny bowl of noodles.
No, I didn't have
Give her
that.
apple. May nag-comment kasi last time guys na afford ko daw yung mga branded na mga gamit. Tapos, bakit daw binibili ko para sa mga anak ko ukay-ukay?
No, I don't.
So, sinabi ko yung kay Daddy Mike guys kasi parang natawa ako ba? Kasi minsan yung mga tao na nagko-comment ng mga ganyan,
The Switch games.
parang minsan ko lang nakikita yung pangalan nila. Like, first time ko yata nakita yung pangalan niya na mag-comment. And then, parang nag-judge na sila kaagad na binibili ko daw sa sarili ko is ganito. Tapos, sa mga anak ko, binibili ko raw is sa ukay-ukay. So, it's not that I'm buying stuff from ukay-ukay for the kids, guys, because they need clothes and I only get ukay-ukay for them. It's because I want them. You know, I want the clothes. It's very practical. And, you know, they suit my kids. At hindi naman sa need talaga nila. I just want, you know, it's a matter of want and need, you know. So,
Take that off her.
may mga damit na naman yung mga anak ko, guys. But then I just love doing, you know, thrifting. Okay. So that's why I get stuff for my kids and for myself and for Daddy Mike, you know.
Anyway, enough of the justification.
Kaya sabi
It's
Daddy
time for me
Mike,
to buy my shopping site.
this is not from okay, sabi ni Mike.
Anyway, this is for Serena Paris. Can you please?
Daddy, tell him it's not from okay.
It's not. It's from Zara. Yeah, I bought matching. Can't hold.
How do you feel, Daddy, when they said why are we buying okay for our kids?
Careless. I don't care about the comments. See? Look.
Yeah, nice. Are you sure about the size, Daddy?
Yeah.
And this is
That's for Celine.
Celine, yeah.
And that's for
one?
Paris.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, nice. Is it a top or dress? It's a top.
It could be both.
No, this is too
Well,
small.
but just tell what you think. Alright?
Yeah.
Is it nice or not?
Yeah, very nice.
Like out of 10?
I'm gonna do it again.
Where's Selena?
Out of?
She's in the bathroom trying to get in the shower.
Oh no.
Bye. I'm gonna do it again. Bye, I'm gonna do it again.
Anyway, guys. See? Matchy-matchies. Beautiful.
What happened? What happened? What happened? Huh? What did you do? Guys, anong oras na ba? So, hindi ko na na-vlog. Nagluto ako ng hapunan, guys. Yung niluto ko ay ite. Kasi meron pa kaming pasta na naiwan. Tsaka yung sauce. Yung spaghetti sauce. Kaya yun na lang ginawa ko. Anak na! Anak na! Hey! Hey! Have you been naughty today? Have you been naughty, girl?
Naughty, naughty girl. Cuddle, mama, be. Oh, I love you. I'll get this one ready for bed now, guys. Kasi anong oras na? Bedtime? Bedtime for you? Tapos mama will do the dishes. Kasi si daddy might na busy siya sa ano. Lahat na niya yung mga damit dito. I have to get this house clean para pag alis namin ay malinis yung bahay. Para pagbalik namin dito ay malinis ang ating bahay. Ano? What's this? What's this? Okay. Boo! Boo! Oh, wash your face, Nana. Have a quick shower. Agay! Drop some money. Where are you going? Where are you going?